This conference will now be recorded.
Good afternoon, students. Am I audible for you? Anyone reply through chat? Yes, thanks for the response. The PPT is visible for you? Yeah, thanks for the response. Okay, last class we have seen don't care conditions are also problems based on product of sum. Okay, so these two topics we have seen in the last class. Okay, well, don't care condition and also product of sum, isn't it? Hope you all understood, and also some of the students have submitted the homework problems. Okay, well, okay, fine. Today we are going to see the topics are and or not, NAND, nor exclusive or exclusive nor logic implementations. Okay, well, so today we are going to see these topics. Okay, so today we are going to see the logic gate implementations. Okay, well, we are going to see different logic gate implementation, meaning that in our problem they will give the Boolean expression. Okay, well, we want to implement the Boolean expression by using logic gates. Okay, well, so we have studied different logic gates like AND gate, OR gate, like that. We have studied different logic gates both in theory and also in laboratory class. Okay, well, so we want to implement those logic gates for the given Boolean expression. This is very simple. Okay, well, so maybe exam is maybe exam in offline. These questions may be asked in part 2, part A, and also part B. Okay. The rest of the topic on the Kuhn-Mackenzie method of minimization. So this is the topic only we want to cover. Okay, so I will cover this topic in tomorrow's class. Okay, so tomorrow we can see the Kuhn-Mackenzie method. Okay, so from that we will come to end of unit 1. Okay, fine. So all of you take your notebook. Please note down the heading implementation of logic gates. Okay, wow. Take down your notebook. All of you having notebook in your hand? Reply through chat. All of you having DST notebook in your hand? Yeah. Thanks for your response. Please note down the heading implementation of logic gates. Okay, take down the heading implementation of logic gates. Take down the heading implementation of logic gates. Okay, take down the heading implementation of logic functions using gates. Okay, well, implementation of logic functions using gates. So this is what the definition. Okay, well, so this is what the definition. Maybe if the exam is offline, this definition will be asked in part A. Okay, well, it may be asked in 2 marks. Okay, well, the Boolean algebra is used to express the output of any combinational network. Okay, such as a network can be implemented using logic gates. Okay, well, let us see the implementation of logic implementation of both SOP and POS Boolean expressions. Okay, well, okay, I will tell you in a simple manner. Okay, well, so the Boolean expression will be given. It may be based on SOP method or it may be POS method. Okay, well, it may be POS or it may be SOP. Okay, well, இதுல வந்து Boolean expressions வந்து கொடுத்துருவாங்க. So we want to implement those Boolean expression by using logic gates. Okay, we want to implement those Boolean expressions by using logic gates. Adha வந்து implementation of logic functions using gates அப்படிங்கிறது. ஓகேவா? So இப்போ logic Boolean expressions வந்து logic gate மூலமா வந்து implement பண்றது will be called as combinational network. ஓகேவா? will be called as combinational network. ஓகேவா? combinational network அப்படி nothing but Boolean expressions வந்து logic gate மூலமா implement பண்றது. ஓகேவா? logic gate மூலமா implement பண்றது தான் வந்து combinational network. ஓகேவா? fine. So hope you all know. I think the laboratory class also I gave you very brief explanation about logic gates and all. Okay. Anyhow, I just recall. Okay. So logic gates. I think you know you have around 8 basic logic gates are there. Okay. So first I'm taking heading gate, symbol, truth table. Okay, and expression. Okay. So you want to keep in mind when you are going for implementation of logic gates. So these are all very important points. Okay, so you can implement the Boolean expressions in the logic gates. Okay, fine. Take down first one. It may be, if possible, take down the running notes. Okay, otherwise just listen. I will post this document in the classroom. Okay, first gate, not gate. Okay, first gate I'm taking as not gate. So this is what the symbol. Okay, I think you all know this is what the symbol. Here A is the input and Y is the output. Okay, capital A is the input and the capital Y is the output. This is what the symbol of your logic gate. Okay, this is what the symbol of logic gate. And this is the IC number, IC 7404. Okay, IC 7404. Suppose if you are going for the practical implementation of NOT gate, okay, in the laboratory you will be having different ICs. Okay, you are having different ICs. In that IC 7404. Okay, IC 7404. IC is nothing but your NOT gate IC. Okay, there maybe if you are doing our digital lab in offline. Okay, so laboratory வந்து நீங்க ஆஃப்லைன்ல வந்து digital lab செஞ்சீங்க அப்படின்னா you will be using ICs, different ICs for logic gates. Okay, so அதுல வந்து NOT gate ஓட IC வந்து IC 7404. Okay, so 7404 will give you NOT gate logics. Okay, so please note down the IC number for NOT gate, IC 7404. Okay, so please keep in mind. So NOT gate அப்படின்னா you will be having one input and one output. This is what the symbol of NOT gate and this is what the IC number, IC 7404. Okay, fine. Next truth table. Truth table வந்து input வந்து A, output வந்து Y. So if I am giving 0, output will be 1. Okay, if I am giving input as 1, I will be getting output 0 because NOT gate is nothing but an inversion operation. Whatever the input you are giving, that will be inverted as a output. Okay, if you give 0, output will be 1. If you give 1, output will be 0. Okay, this is what the truth table of your NOT gate. Okay, fine. Next one the expression. Boolean expression வந்து I mean algebraic expression வந்து capital Y equal to A bar. Okay, capital Y equal to A bar because the A value will be inverted. Okay, your output is nothing but inversion of your input. Okay, here input is A, that's why the algebraic expression is nothing but capital Y equal to A bar. Okay, so logic gates la வந்து என்னென்னலாம் நீங்க வந்து you want to know the symbol, you want to know the IC number, then you want to know the truth table, then you want to know the algebraic expression. Okay, and the 4 points உங்களுக்கு வந்து கண்டிப்பா வந்து ஞாபகம் இருக்கணும். Okay, you please keep in mind the 4 points. Okay, symbol, IC number, truth table, அப்புறம் வந்து algebraic expression. Okay, fine. Hope you all understood the concepts of NOT gate. Next we are moving into AND gate. Okay, so AND gate, I think you all know this is what the symbol of AND gate. So I am taking 2 input AND gate. Okay, here A and B are the inputs of your AND gate. This is what the symbol of AND gate. Okay, and Y is your output. IC number வந்து IC 7408. Okay, 7408 is nothing but your AND gate IC. Next on the truth table, A and B are your input, Y is your output. Okay, I think you all know 0 0 na 0, 0 1 na 0, 1 0 na 0, 1 1 na mattu you will be getting 1. So AND gate is nothing but both the inputs are high. Okay, both the inputs are high, your output will be high, isn't it? That is called AND gate. If any one of the output is low, okay, your output will be low. This is what the truth table of your AND gate. I think you all know. Okay, capital Y equal to A dot B or AB. Okay, whatever it may be. So in the dot vehicle or the dot vitalo, no issue. Okay, wow. So Y equal to AB. Okay, wow. This is what the algebraic expression of your AND gate. So hope you all understood. This is symbol IC number 7408. This is what the truth table. Both the case are high, output high, remaining case 0. Algebraic expression on the capital Y equal to AB. This is what the algebraic expression of your AND gate. Next, OR gate. So A and B are the input. Okay, A and B are the input. This is what the symbol of your OR gate. Okay, so please keep in mind this is what the symbol of your OR gate. Capital Y is the output. So IC number 7402. Okay, IC number one is 7402. This is what the IC of OR gate 7432. Why? Because maybe the exam is conducted in online. Okay, by MCQ pattern. So you will be getting question like this. What is the IC number for OR gate? Okay, what is the IC number for AND gate? And what is the IC for NOT gate? Okay, so you will be getting question like this. Okay, wow. So அதனால வந்து you just please memorize or you just please keep in mind the IC numbers. Okay, wow. So OR gate na IC number என்ன, AND gate na IC number என்னங்கிறது you just please keep in mind because it will be asked in 1 marks. And also please note down the truth table. Okay, wow. So A and B are your input and capital Y is your output. 0 0 na 0, 0 1 na 1, 1 0 na 1, 1 1 na 1. Okay, wow. This is the logic. I mean, this is the truth table of your OR gate. Okay, any one of the output is high, you will be getting high, isn't it? This is what the logic of your OR gate. Okay, wow. ஏதா ஒரு output வந்து high அப்படினாலும் output will be high. Okay, wow. Capital Y equal to A plus B. This is what the algebraic expression of your OR gate. Okay, wow. Capital Y equal to A plus B. This is what the algebraic expression of your OR gate. So hope you all understood. Okay, wow. So this is what the symbol of OR gate. IC number வந்து 7432. Please note down IC number வந்து 7432. And this is what the truth table. Okay, wow. So both the inputs are high. Okay, wow. I mean any one of the input. Okay, wow. Any one of the input is high, your output will be high. Suppose both the inputs are low. Okay, your output will be low. This is what the truth table of your OR gate. Algebraic expression on the capital Y equal to A plus B. Okay, hope you all noted and you all understood. It's clear for you? Reply through chat. Dear students, it's clear for you. Up to now it's clear for you. Yeah, thanks for your response. Please note down the IC numbers. Okay, wow. It may be asked in 1 mark. Okay, wow. Suppose if the exam is conducted in MCQ pattern, okay, wow, you will get around 3 to 4 questions based on the IC number. Okay, wow. So please note down the IC numbers. So next gate buffer. Okay, wow. So buffer being nothing but whatever the input you are giving, the same output will be there in the output section. Okay, wow. Whatever the input you are giving, the same value will be there in the output section. Okay, this is called the buffer. So buffer might be used in like a memory section. Okay, maybe use the memory section, or if you want to delay. Okay, well, if you want to delay your process. Okay, wow, you can use buffers. Okay, wow. So buffer IC number வந்து 7404 sorry 7407 and this is what the symbol. Okay, wow. So இந்த இடத்துல வந்து ஒரு round mark இருந்துச்சு அப்படினா அது வந்து not. Okay, இந்த இடத்துல round mark இல்ல அப்படினா that will be buffer. Okay, wow. So IC number வந்து 7407. 7. ஓகேவா, பஃபரோட ஐசி நம்பர் வந்து 7407. ஓகேவா. Next truth table வந்து this is one input and one output. ஓகேவா. So A is your input and Y is your output. If I am giving 0 as input, you will get the same 0 as output. Okay. If you give 1 as your input, the same one will be in the output section. Okay, you will get the same one as your output. So algebraic equation, so capital Y equal to capital A. Okay, whatever the input you are applying, the same will be there in the output section. Okay, that is called a buffer. Okay, so hope you all noted. So you want to know the symbol, you want to know the IC number. Okay, 7407. Okay, this is the IC number for buffer. This is what the truth table, and this is what the algebraic expression. Next, NAND gate. Okay, so please note down the symbol. Okay, please note down the symbol of NAND gate. So here A and B are the input, capital Y is your output. Fine. So IC number வந்து 7400. So IC number வந்து 7400. So this is the truth table of your NAND gate. A and B are your input, capital Y is your output. 00 na 1, 01 nalu 1, 10 nalu 1, 11 அப்படினா 0. Okay, so this is what your truth table of your AND gate. Okay, so please note down or please keep in mind, this is the truth table of your AND gate. Okay, so both the inputs are high, your output will be low. This is the concept of your NAND gate. Rest of the case you will get output as 1. This is what the algebraic expression. Algebraic expression on the capital Y equal to A B the whole bar. Okay, capital Y equal to A B whole bar. This is what the algebraic expression. I mean, this is what the algebraic expression of your NAND gate. Okay, so please keep in mind, this is what the symbol of NAND gate. This is the IC number of NAND gate 7400, and this is what the truth table. Okay, this is what the algebraic expression. Okay, fine. Next we are moving into NOR gate. Okay, so this is what the symbol of NOR gate. Okay, you are having two inputs, capital A and capital B are your input, capital Y is your output, and IC number வந்து IC 7402. Okay, please keep in mind or make a note. IC number for NOR gate வந்து IC 7402. Truth table, A and B are your input, capital Y is your output. Okay, 00 na 1, 01 na 0, 10 அப்படினா 0, 11 அப்படினா 0. Okay, if both the inputs are low, that case you will get output as 1. So rest of the cases you will be getting output as 0. This is what the logic of your OR gate. So OR gate oda algebraic expression enna? Capital Y equal to A plus B the whole bar. Okay, capital Y equal to A plus B the whole bar. Okay, so students, please keep in mind the symbol of your logic gate. Okay, the IC number of your logic gate, the truth table of your logic gate, algebraic expression of your logic gate. Okay, so you want to keep in mind for you all the logic gates. In the 4 points you will symbol, IC number, truth table, then algebraic expression. Okay, if you're going for any Viva question or MCQ pattern, or if you're going for some interview, okay, interview போனீங்கனாலுமே interviewலயே வந்து it may be software interview or it may be a core interview. Okay, so yeah, tell me. If you're going for any interview, okay, so they will be asking questions based on logic gates. Okay, so on the symbol, IC number, truth table, algebraic expressions. So these are all very important. Okay, so have you all noted? Shall I go for the next slide? Reply through chat. Yeah, thanks for your response. So next, exclusive OR. Okay, so please note down XOR or exclusive OR. You can say anyway. Okay, exclusive OR or XOR. So this is what the symbol of your XOR gate. Okay, please make a note. Okay, wow. So here A and B are your input, capital Y is your output. IC number வந்து 7486. So please keep in mind or make a note. IC number வந்து 7486. Okay, wow. 7486 na nothing but your XOR IC. Okay, wow. XOR IC. This is what your truth table of exclusive or XOR. Okay, wow. So 0011. So 00 நாலும் சரி 11 நாலும் you will be getting 0. Rest of the cases you will be getting 1. So this is what the truth table of your exclusive OR. So exclusive OR oda truth table. Okay. Algebraic expression capital Y equal to A. This symbol indicates exclusive OR. Okay, wow. So plus போட்டு okay, wow. The round பண்ணிருந்தா this symbol indicates XOR. Okay, XOR or exclusive OR. Okay, wow. So capital Y equal to A exclusive OR of B. Okay, wow. So plus போட்டு round பண்ணிருந்தா that symbol indicates XOR or exclusive OR. Okay, wow. So next, have you all noted? Hope you all noted. This is what the symbol IC number on the 7486. This is what the truth table. Then this is what the algebraic expression. Next, exclusive NOR. Okay, so we come to the end of logic gates. Okay, அதில் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா exclusive or XNOR. The another name is XNOR. Please make a note. Exclusive NOR or XNOR. So this is what is symbol. Here A and B are your input, capital Y is your output. Okay, so this is what is symbol. Okay, wow. So if you compare both exclusive OR and XNOR, here there is no round. Okay, wow. Here there is no circle, but here there is some circle is there. This is what the difference between exclusive OR and XNOR. Okay, wow. So that's வந்து ஒரு round mark போட்டிருந்தது அப்படின்னா that is XNOR. There is no round mark, then it will be called XOR. Okay, wow. Okay, fine. So IC number வந்து 74266. Okay, wow. 74266. This is the IC number for your XNOR or exclusive NOR. Okay, wow. Next we are going for the truth table. Truth table பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா if both the inputs are 0, your output is 1. Both the inputs are 1, your output is 1. Okay, well, the rest of the cases your output is low, I mean 0. So this is what the truth table of your exclusive NOR. Next, algebraic expression. Algebraic expression வந்து Y equal to A. Okay, wow. This symbol is indicating exclusive OR. Okay, wow. A exclusive OR. Okay, wow. Of B the whole bar. Okay, wow. The whole bar. So this is the algebraic expression. Okay, wow. Algebraic expression of your exclusive NOR. Please make a note. This is the algebraic expression of your exclusive NOR. Capital Y equal to A XOR of B the whole bar. So hope you all noted these points: symbol, IC number, then truth table, then algebraic expression. So have you all understood up to now? Reply through chat. Dear students, up to now it's clear for you. Dear students, up to now it's clear for you. Have you all noted? Yeah, thanks for your response. So I will post this document in Google Classroom. Okay, wow. So after that you can refer it. Okay, now we are moving into the first problem. Okay, wow. So take down the problem. implementation of, so take the first problem. Implement the following SOP Boolean expression with logic gates. Okay, wow. So this problem may be asked in 6 marks or 8 marks. Okay, wow. So these are all previous university questions. Okay, wow. It may be asked in 8 marks or 6 marks. Okay, wow. Take the first problem. Implement the following SOP, I mean sum of product Boolean expression with logic gates. Okay, wow. So this is what the given Boolean expression. Please take down capital F, that is Boolean function, capital F equal to AB plus CD bar plus B bar C. Okay, wow. So this is what your given Boolean expression. Capital F equal to AB plus CD bar plus B bar C. So this is what the given Boolean expression. Okay, wow. So this expression is based on SOP form. Okay, wow. So now we want to implement this Boolean expression in logic gates. Okay, with the help of logic gates. Okay, I'm moving into the solution part. Okay, wow. So solution part level, first take down given. So given on the Boolean expression. Write down the Boolean expression. So here you are having 3 terms. Okay, wow. You are having 3 terms. So this is what the first product term. This is what your second product term. Next you are having third product term. Okay, wow. So we want to implement, or we want to draw the Boolean, draw the logic diagram for the given expression. Okay, fine. So I'm going to draw the first expression. Later you can draw for the remaining cases. Okay, first I'm considering the first product term. Okay, wow. First product term in A, B. Okay, wow. So first you want to make a line. Okay, wow. So name it as, this is your A, the first input line. Okay, wow. Next you are having a term B. Okay, wow. So make a line and mark it as B. Okay, next A and B. Okay, wow. So here A and B are a product term. Okay, wow. So product term and logic gates we want to give it to AND gate. Okay, well, we want to give it to AND gate. So now the output of AND gate is nothing but A into B. A and B. Okay, wow. So next I'm going for the implementation of CD bar. Okay, wow. So put a line. Okay, wow. This is your C, and draw the next line. This is your D. Okay, wow. So here D bar. Okay, wow. D bar karnala first you just give D value to a NOT gate. Okay, wow. So NOT gate கொடுத்துட்டு NOT gate கொடுத்துட்டு, so NOT gate கொடுத்தேனாகும் D value வந்து D bar னு convert ஆயிரும். Okay, wow. Then we want to give it to AND gate because this is C into D bar. Okay, wow. So we want to give these inputs to AND gate. So here you will be getting C D bar. So next you are having another term. Okay, wow. B bar C. So line. Okay, next C. So B bar na you want to put on NOT gate. Okay, wow. You want to give B வந்து NOT gate கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா you can convert. Okay, wow. You can convert this B into B bar. So these two value can be given to AND gate because B bar into C. After we want to give these two input to AND gate. Okay, if we give, then it will be B bar. Okay, so B bar into C. Okay, B bar into C. Next, we want to combine. Okay, we want to combine these three product terms by using plus symbol. Okay, plus symbol அப்படினா நம்ம logic gates என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? So we want to give it to OR gate. Okay, we want to combine all these three product terms. Okay, then we want to give it to OR gate. Okay, we want to give it to OR gate. So we want to combine all the three product terms. Okay, we want to give all the three product terms to OR gate, then we want to get the final output. So this is what your final output. So capital Y. So capital Y is nothing but AB plus CD bar plus B bar C. So this is what your final answer. So like that you want to implement. Okay, so hope you all understood. First you want to carefully note down the given logic, Boolean logic. So A, B. Okay, so you want to take A, B as your input. So A into B அப்படிங்கறனால you want to give this A, B to your AND gate. Okay, next பாருங்க C, D bar. Okay, so you want to make a line C to line போட்டு D வந்து you want to give D to NOT gate. Okay, NOT gate கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா so D will be converted to D bar. After that we can give it to AND gate. Okay, because this C into D bar. Okay, so you want to give this to AND gate. Next one the B, the B value has to give to NOT gate because we want to convert into B bar. Okay, so B value in the NOT gate you can convert B as B bar. Next C value, so okay, C value you can directly give it to the AND gate. Okay, so you will be getting B bar C. So finally you want to give these three individual product term to OR gate. Okay, so finally you will be getting capital Y. I mean, sorry, F. Okay, so F is your output. So this is what your final result. So hope you all understood. So this is what the final answer. Have you understood? Reply through chat. Yes. Thanks for your response. So I will go for the next problem. Then you can easily get. You can get a clear idea. Okay, take the next problem. Implement the given given POS Boolean expression with the logic gates. Okay, capital F equal to A plus B, A bar plus C, C bar plus D plus E. Okay, so this is what the given Boolean expression. Okay, we want to implement this Boolean expression by using logic gates. Okay, okay, please note down capital F equal to A plus B. This is first sum term because this is POS form. Okay, product of sum on the form first sum term. Next sum term வந்து B bar plus C. Third sum term வந்து C bar plus D plus E. Okay, solution. So first write down the given expression. Next வந்து you are having three sum terms. இதுல வந்து மொத்தம் வந்து 3 sum terms இருக்கு. Okay, so we are going to implement. Okay, எப்படி implement பண்ணலாம்? So first இந்த term consider பண்ணிக்கங்க. First இந்த sum term பார்த்தோம்னா you are having two values. So first ரெண்டு லைன் போட்டுக்கங்க. ஓகேவா? The first line வந்து என்னன்னா A so another line வந்து b. ஓகேவா? so a and b வந்து என்ன ஆகுது? a plus b. அப்ப a plus b னா these two values given to OR gate. ஓகேவா? plus னா OR gate. next b அடுத்த term பாருங்க. next term என்ன? b bar plus c. ஓகேவா? so அப்ப என்ன பண்ணனும்? so b value வந்து first வந்து not gate க்கு கொடுத்துட்டு, ஓகேவா? we want to give b value to not gate. so the not gate will convert b as b bar. After that we want to give it to OR gate. ஓகேவா? parallelly we want to take line from c because this is c bar, sorry, b bar plus c. ஓகேவா? so you want to take c value. ஓகேவா? then you want to give it to OR gate because this is b bar plus c. இந்த plus இருக்கனால you want to give it to OR gate. ஓகேவா? so next வந்து என்ன? next term என்ன? next term வந்து c bar. ஓகேவா? next வந்து next we want to consider the last sum term c bar னா first c value வந்து என்ன பண்ணனும்? we want to give it to OR gate. சரி, not gate கொடுத்தோம்னா it will convert c value as c bar. ஓகேவா? next வந்து d, take a line from d. ஓகேவா? line from d, then take a line from e. okay, so finally you want to give all the values to OR gate because this is c bar plus d plus e. இந்த plus இருக்கறனால we want to give all the values to OR gate. so mouseல வந்து clear draw பண்ண முடியல. ஓகேவா? bookல வந்து நோட்ல வந்து clear draw பண்ணிக்கங்க. ஓகேவா? இந்த symbols வந்து clear draw பண்ணிக்கங்க. so next பாருங்க. so இது எல்லாமே வந்து ப்ராடக்ட்ல இருக்கு. ஓகேவா? so a plus b and b plus c and ஓகேவா c bar plus d plus e. ஓகேவா? அப்ப என்ன பண்ணனும்? we want to give all the terms to AND gate. ஓகேவா? because எல்லாமே வந்து இது ப்ராடக்ட்ல இருக்கறனால we want to give all the terms to AND gate. so this is what your final answer. This is what your final answer. Now we have implemented. Okay, now we have implemented the given Boolean expression into logic gates or with logic gates. Okay, so logic gates வந்து implement பண்ணியாச்சு. Okay, so this is what the answer. This is what the answer. So a plus b வந்து OR gate கொடுக்கணும். b வந்து AND க்கு கொடுத்தோம்னா தான் b bar ஆகும். then வந்து c டைரக்டா கொடுத்துறலாம். ஓகேவா? சோ இப்ப b பாரையும் இந்த இடத்துல வந்து என்ன ஆயிரும்? b வந்து b bar ஆயிரும். ஓகேவா? சோ AND கேட் கொடுத்தா என்ன ஆகும்? b வந்து b bar ஆயிரும். ஓகேவா? சோ b bar plus c னால we want to give to OR gate. so c bar b d. ஓகேவா? this value will be applied to OR gate. ஓகேவா? so OR gate or results வந்து நம்ம என்ன பண்ணனும்? we want to give it to AND gate. ஓகேவா? so this is what your final answer. So hope you all understood. Have you all understood? Reply through chat. Yeah, thanks for the response. Okay, next problem. Take down the next problem. This may be asked in 2 marks or 4 marks. Okay, take the next problem. Draw the logic diagram for capital X equal to AB plus B bar C. Take down the next problem. Draw the logic diagram for capital X equal to AB plus B bar C. Take down the expression capital X equal to AB plus B bar C. Okay, I am giving chance to you. So anyone unmute and tell me how we can draw? how we can implement with logic gates, how we can implement this Boolean expression with logic gates. Anyone unmute and tell me? So anyone unmute and tell me how we can implement this Boolean expression in logic gates? So anyone unmute and tell me the answer. How we can implement? It is very simple. Okay, very simple. Already two problem explain பண்ணிட்டேன். Okay, ரொம்ப simple expression. Anyone tell me the answer how we can implement? So anyone reply? How we can implement? Sandhya, are you there? Roll number 134, 134, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me the answer. How we can implement this Boolean expression, ma?
Sir, first A and B we need to put in AND gate, sir.
Okay, fine. Next, ma?
And B bar C, first B bar we need to put in NOT gate and connect with the AND gate, sir. Then we
Okay,
need to need to connect AB and B bar plus C in the OR gate, sir.
Yeah, super, ma, super. This is the correct answer. Okay, ma. Thanks for your response. So this is what the answer. Okay, wow. So first, listen carefully. The given expression is capital X equal to A into B plus B bar C. Okay, wow. So first you consider this product term. Okay, wow. A into B. So nothing but A is one input, B is one input. Okay, wow. So both are in the product term. Okay, wow. We want to draw a line. Okay, wow. A core line draw pannittu, B core line draw pannittu. A and B we want to give it to AND gate because A and B are in product term. Okay, wow. Product term AND gate போடணும், sum term OR gate போடணும். Okay, wow. Fine. Once you completed, next we are going for the next product term. This is B bar C. Okay, wow. First B drop pannittu, we want to convert this B into B bar. Okay, wow. So அப்ப என்ன பண்ணனும், first B you want to apply to NOT gate. NOT gate இப்படி என்னாகும், B B bar convert ஆயிரும். Okay, wow. Then next input என்ன C. Okay, wow. C ல இருந்து ஒரு லைன் நீங்க tap பண்ணி எடுத்துட்டு you want to give it to என்ன AND gate because this is B bar C. Okay, wow. So B bar C வந்து product term இருக்கனால you want to give it to AND gate. Okay, wow. So finally these two value will be given to OR gate because we are having plus. Okay, wow. We are having a plus operation. I mean sum operation. Okay, wow. That's why we are giving these two values to OR gate. Then finally come to conclusion. Okay, wow. This is what your final answer. This is very simple. Okay, it may be asked in 2 marks or 4 marks. Okay, have you all understood? Reply through chat. Have you all understood? Reply through chat. Yeah, thanks for response. So I'm going for the next problem. Okay, take the next problem. Write the Boolean expression for the output of the system shown below. Okay, it may be asked in 2 marks or it may be asked in MCQ. Okay, MCQ the diagram they may ask the output expression. Okay, in the problem they have given the diagram. Okay, in this problem they have given the diagram, so they are asking the Boolean expression. Okay, fine. So previously we have seen, okay, in the problem they have given the Boolean expression. Okay, so we want to convert this Boolean expression into logic diagram. Okay, but in this problem they have given the diagram, they have given the logic diagram, they are asking the Boolean expression. Okay, so anyone try and tell me the answer. I give you 2 minutes time. Just listen. Okay, carefully வந்து diagram note பண்ணுங்க. Note பண்ணிட்டு, so C equal to போட்டுட்டு, ஓகேவா, C ஓட output, ஓகேவா, C ஓட output வந்து what are all the combination of your C அப்படிங்கறத செக் பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம். I give you 2 minutes time. If anybody found output, okay, you can share.
Sir, I found the answer, sir.
Yeah, tell me, ma.
A plus B the whole bar into B.
Yeah, very good, ma. I think further வந்து இத நம்ம வந்து simplify பண்ணலாம். ஓகேவா, A plus B the whole bar into B, this is what the correct answer. But the book answer பாத்தீங்க அப்படினா we can simplify. You just try, ma. You just try to simplify this expression. A plus B the whole bar into B, this is the correct answer. Okay, but we can simplify the Boolean expression. Okay, number first unit la number வந்து we have studied a different laws. Okay, we have studied different Boolean laws. Okay, and the Boolean laws refer பண்ணி you just try to simplify this Boolean expression. Others? Students, A plus B whole bar into B, this is the correct answer. But book answer வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா we want to simplify. Okay, book answer வந்து we want to simplify the Boolean expression. இத simplify பண்ணீங்கன்னா you will get the book answer. Okay, try to simplify this expression. A plus B whole bar into B. Any answer? How we can simplify? Zero. Yeah, super. Sneha and Surji. 0 is the correct answer, because I think you all know we can simplify A plus B whole bar as A bar by using De Morgan's law, A bar dot B bar, okay, into B. So next, if I multiply B with B bar, என்ன ஆகும்? B into B bar என்ன? 0. So 0 into anything? 0. So final answer வந்து 0. Okay, so 0 ங்கிறது book answer. Good, ma, good. I think most of you found this answer. Have you all completed? Reply through chat. Have you all noted this answer? Dear students, have you all noted? Yeah, thanks for your response. Okay, take to the next problem. Using Karnaugh map, simplify the following. Using Karnaugh map, simplify the following expression using Karnaugh map, simplify the following expression and implement using basic logic gates. Okay, using Karnaugh map, simplify the following expression and implement using basic logic gates. So this is what the given expression, capital F equal to sum of 1, 3, 4, 6. Okay, wow. So this is based on then a method SOP, because sum kuduthirundha SOP. So these are all called min terms. இதே வந்து suppose வந்து pi அப்படினு கொடுத்திருந்தா that is called POS. That is called POS format. The terms are max terms. Okay, dear students, please keep in mind sum கொடுத்திருந்தா SOP form, pi கொடுத்திருந்தா POS. இங்க sum இருக்கறனால so these terms will be called min terms. Okay, solution capital equal to sum of 1, 3, 4, 6. So next step என்ன பண்ணனும்? Karnaugh map மாதிரியே தான் we want to map into the maximum value 6 அப்படினா this is 3 variable Karnaugh map. So we want to map into 3 variable Karnaugh map, then we want to group it, then we want to go for Boolean expression. After that we want to implement the Boolean expression into logic gates. இதுக்கு முன்னாடி பார்த்த ப்ராப்ளத்துல வந்து நம்ம Boolean expressions ஓட ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிடுவோம். But using logic gates கொடுத்திருந்தா, implement in using logic gates கொடுத்திருந்தா ப்ராப்ளத்துல we want to implement, okay, நம்ம find out பண்ண Boolean expressions we want to implement in the logic gates. Okay, wow, it's clear for you? Okay, next we want to draw the 3 variable Karnaugh map diagram. Okay, wow, 3 variable Karnaugh map diagram. So 1 வந்து m1 ல வந்து we want to substitute 1, so 3 ல வந்து we want to substitute 1, then 4 ல வந்து we want to substitute 1, then வந்து 6 ல வந்து we want to substitute 1. Okay, so just we are mapping the min term values in the general 3 variable Karnaugh map. Okay, anyone unmute and tell me the grouping? Make it fast. Anyone unmute and tell me the grouping? எப்படி group பண்ணலாம்?
M1 M3.
Very good ma. M1 M3 is the first group.
M4 M6.
M4 and M6. Very good ma. Okay, the M1 and M3 ki Boolean expression சொல்லுங்க. Tell me the Boolean expression for
A bar plus C.
A bar
Plus C.
plus C, yeah.
A bar C.
A bar C, because this is SOP form ma. Please note down, this is SOP form. Okay va. So SOP form அப்படினா இங்க A bar C தான் வரும். Okay va. POS form na தான் இடையில plus எல்லாம் வரும். Okay va. So please carefully note பண்ணிக்கங்க. Problem வந்து SOP form ஆ POS form ஆங்கறத clear-ஆ வந்து note பண்ணிக்கங்க. This is problem based on SOP. சரியா? Okay, fine. நீங்க நிறைய problem solve பண்ண you will get a clear idea. Okay, next expression. Tell me the next Boolean expression for the second group. A bar.
A C bar.
A C bar. A C bar. Okay, wow. A C bar is the correct answer. A C bar is the correct answer for the next group. So next நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? So இந்த மாதிரி combine பண்ணனும். Okay வா? So the first group is A bar C. Second group என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம்? The last, I mean in the C1 யும் C4 யும் lastல இருக்கிறது வந்து combine பண்ணனும்னா you will be getting A C bar. Okay வா? So the answer is capital F equal to A bar C plus A C bar. Okay va. So last class la irundha nam enna pannuvom, problem வந்து இதோட stop பண்ணிடுவோம். Okay va. But in this problem they have mentioned implementation. We want to implement this Boolean expression into logic gates. Okay va. அப்ப எப்படி நம்ம draw பண்ணனும்? Listen. Okay va. So first we want to consider A bar C. Okay va. A bar C consider பண்ணிக்கணும். So நான் என்ன பண்ணிக்கிறேன்? First வந்து என்ன பண்ணிக்கிறேன்? C here. A, okay va. A value given to NOT gate. அப்ப என்ன ஆயிருங்க? இது வந்து A bar ஆயிரும். Okay va. So A bar. Next வந்து இந்த C value என்ன பண்ணிக்கிறேன்? I'm giving C. அப்ப என்ன ஆகும்? So A bar C அப்படினா A bar யும் C யும் நான் வந்து I want to give it to AND gate. Okay. Next பாருங்க இங்க வந்து so A value என்ன பண்றேன்? டைரக்டா எடுத்துக்கிட்டேன். C value என்ன பண்றேன்? C bar வேணும்ங்கறனால C வந்து AND gate கொடுத்தா I will get C bar. Okay va. இப்ப A value C bar ரெண்டையும் என்ன பண்றேன்? I am applying to AND gate because this is A into C bar ங்கறனால I am giving these two values into AND gate. Okay va. Finally the AND gate outputs வந்து என்ன பண்றேன், here I am having plus symbol. Okay va. So I want to give the output of your AND gates to OR gate. Okay va, because the product terms இடையில என்ன இருக்குது, sum இருக்கறனால, I mean plus symbol இருக்கறனால I want to give it to OR gate. Okay va. So finally என்ன, capital F equal to OR gate ஓட output என்ன, capital F equal to A bar C plus A C bar. So this is what the implementation. This is what the implementation of your problem, your Boolean expression. Okay va. So first என்ன பண்ணுவோம், you want to draw the general diagram, then you want to go for grouping, then you want to complete Boolean expression. Okay va. After that you want to map. Okay va, you want to map the given Boolean expression into logic gates. Okay va. So logic gates வந்து map பண்ணனும். Is it? Okay, it's clear for you? Reply through chat. It's clear for you? Yeah, thanks for your response. So if you have any doubt, please ask me. Okay va. Please ask me in my through my posting number. Okay va. So I will give you some homework problems in your Google Classroom. You just try. Okay va. Then it will be very easy. Okay va. The problem solve பண்ணீங்கன்னா the logic gate implementation வந்து உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப ஈஸியா இருக்கும். Okay va. ரொம்ப சிம்பிளா ஈஸியா வந்து நீங்க இம்ப்ளிமென்ட் பண்ணலாம். Okay va. So I will give you some problems in the as a homework. Okay va, in Google Classroom. Okay, thank you. How was today's class? Give your feedback. How was today's class? Yeah, thanks for your response. Thanks. Okay, tomorrow we are going to see the next topic. Okay, Kuhn-Mackenzie method. Okay, that is the only topic we want to cover in the unit number 1. Okay, so tomorrow morning in the first hour we will cover the topic. Okay, Kuhn-Mackenzie method. Okay, thank you all, thank you for joining. So the rest of the topics we will continue in the next class. Okay, so you can leave.